Good morning, students. In your yesterday class, we studied about initialization of array, and first of all, we studied about one-dimensional array initialization. In one-dimensional array initialization, we studied about compile time initialization and runtime initialization. कंपाइल टाइम और रन टाइम, पहले आप इन दोनों की डिफरेंस को समझिए. कंपाइल टाइम मीन्स वाइल वी आर राइटिंग योर प्रोग्राम विदाउट रनिंग, दैट इज़ कंपाइल टाइम. मीन्स जब हम चेक करते हैं एरर कि हमारे प्रोग्राम में कोई एरर तो नहीं है, हम प्रोग्राम को डिज़ाइन करते हैं तभी जो डिफाइन करते हैं, दैट इज़ कंपाइल टाइम. वेल रन टाइम मीन्स जब हम किसी भी प्रोग्राम के अंदर स्कैनफ का यूज़ करते हैं. मीन्स द प्रोग्राम इज आस्किंग द वैल्यू ऑन द आउटपुट विंडो, इनपुट और आउटपुट विंडो, नॉट द डिज़ाइन ऑफ द प्रोग्राम. हम प्रोग्राम को बना रहे हैं जब नहीं, जब हम प्रोग्राम को रन कर रहे हैं जब हमसे वैल्यू लेता है तो उसको बोलते हैं रन टाइम इनिशियलाइजेशन. तो आई थिंक आप दोनों का आपको समझ में आ गए दोनों कॉन्सेप्ट. पहला है कंपाइल टाइम जब प्रोग्राम को बनाते हैं, और दूसरा रन टाइम जब प्रोग्राम को बनाने के बाद रन करते हैं और ये चेक करते हैं कि हमारी वैल्यूज़ ट्रू है या नहीं है. Okay, so in last class we studied about these compile time and runtime initialization for a 1D array, one-dimensional array. Either the array one-dimensional or two-dimensional, but its basic structure never change. Okay, this is the basic structure. Type means the data type first we will give, then array name, एरे का नाम हमें डिफाइन करना है, एंड देन साइज ऑफ द एरे साइज वी हैव टू गिव. एंड इफ वी आर डिजाइनिंग द कंपाइल टाइम एरे, देन वी हैव टू यूज असाइनमेंट ऑपरेटर, इक्वल ऑपरेटर, एंड वट एवर द साइज ऑफ आर एरे, its size element we will define like that. In this question 1 2 3 4 5 elements are there, so its size is 5. So these 5 elements are defined on 0 index, 1 index, 2 index, 3rd index and 4th index. Total number of index कितनी है 5, but because index start with 0, so 4. The number of element 5. Okay, so today we are discussing about 2D array. Their runtime and compile time both initialization we will discuss here, but before that we will discuss the program, whole program of 1D array. Let's see that. So this is our program, not this one, this one. This is our program. I think it's visible. In this program, first of all we define the header file, then we are using void main, this is main function, then compound statement we are using, then first we write int means integer type, first we giving the type of the array, then the name of array is array, then its size is 5, then I is a variable, and for this I its data type is integer. Means either you are defining a variable or any array, first of all in declaration line you have to give their data type. Okay, so two variables are there, one is array and I, and both data type is integer. Now we are asking about the values. printf function है हमारा जो print करता है enter 5 numbers to store in an array. In an array we want to store 5 numbers, so array size is 5. Okay, then loop will run. Loop start from 0 to less than 5. 0 to less than 5 means till 4. So 0 1 2 3 4, number of element total is 5, and every time I will be plus plus, means पहले 0 then 1 then 2 then 3 then 4. Okay, now scanf we are using here. What we are using? Scanf means scan the file, then I am using %d. %d is the control string, and because we are going to print the address of this array of I, so ampersand हमने यूज़ किया। जब भी आप scanf का यूज़ करेंगे दैट टाइम आप एम्परसेंड के साथ में एरे का नाम या वेरिएबल नेम यू विल डिफाइन। ओके, सो दिस टाइप ऑफ इनिशियलाइजेशन इज कॉल्ड runtime initialization because it will ask the 5 values on runtime, not to the program. प्रोग्राम में हमने कोई वैल्यू नहीं दी, हमने बताया कि 5 वैल्यू लेंगे, but we are not defining these 5 values. These 5 values will enter on the running of the program. Okay, so after taking the 5 values we will print them. Okay, after new line you will print one by one, so for printing you have to run the loop. While you are taking input in an array, then you have to run the loop, and when you are giving the output, then you have to run the loop. In input we will give the scanf, and in output we will give printf. Okay, so printf element stored at a %d, मतलब integers are there, okay, equals to %d, 2 times %, फर्स्ट इंडेक्स नंबर बताएगा और सेकंड आपका आंसर बताएगा, and then close it. कंपाउंड स्टेटमेंट get ch आउटपुट के लिए बिकॉज void main है, and then your output. So output is these 5 values we are having here. First one is 23, then 45, 32, 25 and 45. This is from this one. Okay, this line said print enter elements, this one. Now this is going to print positions. Okay, so these are the positions stored at 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 23, 23, 45, 22, 25, and the last value is 45. Last value is 45. Okay. So this is about 1D array. Now in 2D array, same procedure are there, but we will increase only and only one dimension. You understand? So first the definition, an array which has more than one subscript or dimension is called multi-dimensional or two-dimensional array. And declare क्या हमने, तो declaration में first data type and then name of array and then array size. Okay, size 1, size 2, size we can give number of size. If we are having one dimension, then only one dimension. If we are having two dimension, then 2, 3, then 3. Number of size depends on the user. Now the students D type, first data type. Example है declaration का. The name of array is array. Then size 1 or 2. So size 1 is 3 and second is 4. Yeah, this is declaration of an array. All things I am explaining here. Int data type, array is the name of array, and these are the script. Okay, or dimension 3, 4. Okay, 3 row and 4 columns. Now their initialization. Initialization I already discussed in 1D array. Same procedure are here. Okay, so first of all compile time. Let's see that integer data type, array is the name, and 2 by 3. 2 by 3 का हम बना रहे थे, टोटल 6 का हो जाएगा. 2 rows and 3 columns. 2 rows and 3 columns. So first row is that and second row is that. फर्स्ट रो में कितने एलिमेंट है, 3, 1, 2, 3, और सेकेंड में कितने, 1, 2, 3, टोटल नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट 6. ओके, सो दिस इज द इनिशियलाइजेशन फॉर 2D array. Okay, these elements will store in this array. Same for runtime initialization. So I equals to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. This is for first, and then for j equals to 0, j less than 3, j plus plus. This is for second dimension. This is for second dimension. तो first dimension 3, second dimension 3. First के लिए we are using I, second के लिए we are using Z. Okay, name of array I am giving here AR1. Okay, and %d we will scan them. Okay, scanf. What we are using? Scanf. It means this is called runtime initialization. What type of initialization? Runtime initialization. Let's see the program of 2D or multi-D array. Okay, so sample program of 2D array has include stdio.h, then has include conio.h. These are the header files. After that we are having void main, You know that void is a data type to avoid return value. Okay, so we are using void main function, curly braces start, array का declaration start. Now the array declaration, data type is integer, name of array is array, and how many dimension are there? 3 by 3. 3 by 3. Total number of elements, how many elements will enter? 9 elements will enter. 3 by 3 for first, where I, second for j, and we will count them. Number of element कितना है काउंट करना है तो काउंट वेरिएबल यूज़ करेंगे. नाउ सबसे पहली लाइन में वेरिएबल इनिशियलाइजेशन और रन टाइम इनिशियलाइजेशन. रन टाइम इनिशियलाइजेशन ऑलवेज गोज विद loop and scanf. Loop and scanf. Okay, because there is no need for a scan. 1 0 to 3 values are there, so there is no need for a scan. First loop, I start from 0, I less than 3, 0 1 2 3. Okay, I plus plus j, j equals to 0, j less than 3, j plus plus. This is j. Okay, this is j. One is I and second is j. Okay, now count is the variable that will count number of elements, so count plus plus, and how many elements are there, they will store in I and j. So array of I and j are stored count. Okay, now we are going to print them. So printf %d, I am giving a tab over there. Okay, because the result must be good visual of the result, that's why. So here array of I and j we are going to print. Okay, compound statement close. Then I am giving new line, so printf in double quotation I am giving /n. What I am giving? /n for new line. Then curly braces, one is that, second is that, and third for main function, this one get ch, get ch, it will get the character by character. And now the output, you see the output is that जो हमने टैब दिया है वो ये टैब इसमें दे रखा है 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. टोटल नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट कितना हुआ? 9. टोटल नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट कितने? 9 एलिमेंट्स आर देयर. वी आर स्टार्टिंग आवर एलिमेंट फ्रॉम 0 एंडिंग ऑन 9, और 9 से लेस देन कितना होता है? 8. तो 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so this is the program of 2D array. Student, in the next class we will discuss about the address calculation of array, because this is revision tool. Okay, so address calculation of array we will discuss in the next class. Till then, please revise all things. If you have query, then please put your query on my number. There is no any question, so 8107243947. This is my number. If you are having any question, then please your question over there. Thank you.